Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
The newest Bambu Lab updates have completely revolutionized printer setup. This 2025 refresh introduces a remarkably straightforward process, making adding your device much easier than before. You'll find connecting your printer to Bambu Studio is now incredibly intuitive, saving you valuable time. This means you can quickly move from unboxing to printing your favorite models, getting your creative ideas off the screen and into reality with minimal fuss. It's all about getting you printing faster. Your very first step is making sure you have the absolute newest Bambu Studio application. Always check for updates to ensure compatibility with the 2025 features. Once installed, simply open the software on your computer. Next, you will need to log in with your registered Bambu Lab account. This essential step links your software to your printer, allowing seamless communication and access to all the updated cloud features, making your experience smooth and integrated. With the 2025 update, adding your specific printer model has never been easier, thanks to the revamped interface. Head straight to the Device tab, prominently located within Bambu Studio. Here, you'll find a clear Add Device button. Click it, and a list of available printer models will appear. Simply select your particular Bambu Lab printer from this list. This guided selection ensures correct configuration, preparing your software perfectly for your specific hardware. For seamless communication, it's crucial that your 3D printer and your computer are both connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. First, power on your Bambu Lab printer and follow its on-screen prompts to connect it to your home wireless network. Once both devices are linked, Bambu Studio will automatically detect your connected printer, usually within just a few moments. If it doesn't appear instantly, give it a few seconds. Patience is key here. Congratulations! Your printer should now appear active and fully ready within the Bambu Studio device list. Take a moment to confirm that the connection status shows as healthy, usually indicated by a green light or check mark. With your printer successfully added and connected, you are now completely ready to begin slicing your first three-dimensional model. Simply load your design, adjust your settings, and then confidently send it straight to your printer to begin production. Enjoy creating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.